Alright, so I just looked at my weather and put light on. I just put my weather on and it says it's supposed to snow today. And I'm gonna turn the light back off and you're gonna see in a second. Yes, how you can see is it a blizzard and I am still in the hospital, as you can see. So I most likely am not going anywhere and I'm staying in the hospital. And because of this is like bullshit. Too cold. I'm not going out there. I'm staying another day. If they have to let me go, I'll go. If they let me stay, I'll stay. But right now, because of this, no. This blizzard is gonna be way too much, and it's only for today. And I'm supposed to be released today, but now I don't think I'm gonna go. So yeah. So this is the fifth day in the hospital, trying to recover, and let's just say I'm kind of not liking this. And you can see over there, you can't even see shit. Over there, you can't even see that way. You can't see that way. You can't see past that way. The only thing you can see is what's in front of you right here. So, this is what I'm doing. I'm staying indoors, closing this thing up, staying in bed, staying warm, and talking to the doctors, nurses, getting the help that I need. Hopefully I can stop my problem and mafia out and stay warm, stay safe, and be careful out there if you're gonna be out on the roads.